How to talk about weather. Listen and repeat. Please listen and repeat. Each sentence will be read twice. Let's go. How's the weather? How's the weather? What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? It's boiling. It's boiling. It's hot. It's hot. It's warm. It's warm. It's cool. It's cool. It's chilly. It's chilly. It's freezing. It's freezing. The weather is sunny. The weather is sunny. It's raining. It's raining. It's really humid. It's really humid. The weather is dry. The weather is dry. It's windy outside. It's windy outside. There's a nice breeze. There's a nice breeze. There'll be showers today. There'll be showers today. It's overcast. It's overcast. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's rainy. It's rainy. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. There's a storm coming. There's a storm coming. I can hear thunder. I can hear thunder. That lightning was terrifying. That lightning was terrifying. Look, there's a rainbow. Look, there's a rainbow. It's snowing. It's snowing. There's sleet. There's sleet. There's a blizzard. There's a blizzard. A typhoon is coming. A typhoon is coming. There are puddles in the streets. There are puddles in the streets. It's raining heavily. It's raining heavily. It's pouring down. It's pouring down. What's the weather forecast for tomorrow? What's the weather forecast for tomorrow? What did the weatherman say? What did the weatherman say? It looks like there might be a thunderstorm later. It looks like there might be a thunderstorm later. It's hailing. Find shelter quickly. It's hailing. Find shelter quickly. The windows are frosty. The windows are frosty. It's a perfect day. It's a perfect day. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. It is often foggy in the morning, so drive slowly. It is often foggy in the morning, so drive slowly. Mornings can be a bit chilly. Mornings can be a bit chilly. Looks like a perfect day for staying inside and watching a movie. Looks like a perfect day for staying inside and watching a movie.